Now let's talk about dictionaries. So dictionaries are non-sequential components of the Python. So those dictionaries are formed with keys and values. So till now we have seen list and tuples where you have only values associated to it. But in dictionary you will have key value pair. So let's assign them. So dict is equal to, this dictionary is created in with the help of flower braces. Flower braces. So here I'll be giving keys as name. To that the value is Pradipti, comma, another key which is age. To that I'm giving it as then qualification. So dictionary is a sort of data type in Python which is composed of key value pairs. Key value pairs. So here the values are heterogeneous and the keys are homogeneous. So in the keys you can have only strings. In the keys you can have only strings. But the values can be strings or tuple or anything. So it is a, you can say that dictionary is again a heterogeneous component but is composed of key value pairs. So whatever the things that are towards right side are called keys and towards left are called values. So this is what is key, I mean dictionary. Now likewise in tuple and list, we make use of index to grab the values, right? But in dictionary, we make use of key names to grab the values. But suppose if I want to grab 27, then I will give like dict of age. Then you will get 27. So here indexing in dictionary, indexing is possible with the help of keys. Indexing will be possible with the help of the keys. All right. So let's see whether we can update the content of the key or not. So dict dict of age is equal to 35. This is dict. Now if you see this dict, you can give. First suppose if you give like this, then it says it is invalid. So Tejasvi, in dictionary one key should have only one value. All right, so it is unique. Keys and values, keys are unique, keys are unique. Values also should be only one, but you can have integers or strings or anything. So this is tuple. I'm sorry, dictionary. So let's see what are all the functions of dictionary are. Dir of dict. Yes, you can add. You can add. First, suppose I want to add another key. Dict of job is equal to developer. If you see dictionary, now the dictionary has job as well. Yes, so you can also add some keys and values to a dictionary. All right. Now let's see what are all the functions of dictionary. So the first one is to clear the dictionary. So I'm not using that, but clear is to delete all the elements in the dictionary. Copy is to create the same amount of dictionary in another dictionary. For suppose I want to say dict2. Dict2 is equal to dict dot copy. Now if you find that dict2, you'll have the same elements that are there in the dictionary. Okay. Now from keys. From keys is used to create a dictionary with the different keys but having same value. For suppose I have x is equal to a comma b comma c. Now y is equal to 35. Now I can create dict3 is equal to dict3 of x comma y. One second, guys. What is happening? Sorry. You have to use from keys, right? Dict dot from keys of x comma y. If you execute this, see dict3. Sorry, keys should be strings, right? So A, B. Now you can see the same value is associated to all the keys in the dictionary. Yeah, here I'm adding two same values, right? You can add it. So from keys is a function which is used to create a dictionary from the keys you give and assign a single value to it. This is what from keys is. Now let's see what pop is. Dict dot pop. If you give this, you get an error. So here you have to add an argument, pop of age. Now if you see this, age got deleted. So remove from list and pop from dictionary functionality are same. Remove function from list and pop function from dictionary are same. Now let's see what's pop item is. Dict dot pop item. So if you see, the last one will be deleted. So if you see the dict, the last one will be deleted. So pop item and pop item in dictionary and pop in list are same. Now let's see the value. Now let's see the items. The items. So dict dot items. So it will tell how many key value pairs are there. So whatever the key value pairs that are there, that will be retrieved. So we have name and Pradipti as one key value pair and qualification and MTech as key value pair. In the same way, I can also get keys. Dict dot keys. So it will give what are all the keys that are available. So in the dictionary, the keys that are available are name and qualification. In the same way, you can also obtain values. Dict dot values. Yes, Aisha, in pop item, the last item will be removed. So now if you see the values, Pradipti and MTech are values, so those values are retrieved. So this is what all about dictionary is. Understood, guys?